Hi, Stitch Sisters. So let's create this three parts bracket from scratch. Let's get into it. So first you create a horizontal line, then you make a vertical line just like the cross of Calvary. Then you get your bust width measurement. Our bust width measurement is 8.5. You divide it by 2, so we got 4 1/4. So you mark it across the 4 cardinal points. Mark round the 4 1/4 like so, around the cross of Calvary like so. Then you connect the dots together. So yeah, I'm using my free hand to connect the dots round the cross together. After doing that, you measure your bust width. You see we got it already. Then you just roll a straight line over the bust width. So now the next thing we're going to do is to get our bust height. You measure our bust height is 8.5. So this is me marking it, then rolling a vertical line on it. Then we've gotten our bust width and our bust height. Then next thing you do is to label it. These are center front and these are side front. Then at the side front, I'll be going in with 1.5 inch. Then at the center front, I'll be going out with 1 inch. So at the center front on the vertical line, I'll be going up with 1 inch and I'll be going down 1 inch. Then at the side front at the vertical line, I'll be going up with 1.5. I'll be going down 1.5. At the upper area, I'll be taking a 1/2 inch on both sides. Now the next thing, we're going to connect our markings with a curve. The 1.5 you took from the side front, you connect it to where the cross of Calvary meets, which is the middle. Then at our center front, we're also connecting the 1 inch which we took from the center front. We're connecting it up to where the cross meets. We're going to be connecting the markings with a curve we made for the center front to the side front. All the markings, the 1 inch, 1.5 we made, just be connecting all of them together to meet at the center of the cross. Please note, these measurements are not fixed. There are various ways in achieving all this. Depends on how full your client's bust is. So for the sake of the tutorial, we'll be working with these measurements. Okay, so now we are done connecting all the dots together. Next is to get our shoulder to bust point, shoulder to under bust, and shoulder to over bust. Over bust can still be referred as chest line. Then we're going to be using this center as our bust point. Here we are measuring our chest line, which is 7 inches, while the under bust, which is 14 inches. You can see my tape is on the midpoint, which is 11 inch as our bust point. Then you tilt your tape a bit to see if it's connecting. So from the under bust to the bust point, then to the chest line. Now the chest line, it depends on how deep you want it to be. So here I am styling my cup at the front how I want it to be. So I came down by 2 inch, then I connect it with a curve. Then to the side front, it depends on the style. You're going to style it however you want it to be at the upper area. You can make it round if you like, but yeah, I want to make a pointed style. So this is me creating the style however you want it. If you don't want this, you can just connect it round. But yeah, I want to make a pointy style. So this is me just trying to create my style however you want it though. So yeah, I'm creating my chest line area. So now you're going to be connecting the underbust to the end of the cup. So this part is the lower part of the cup, okay? So yeah, I'm connecting them together. Now we are done with that. You're going to label it 1, 2, 3 and 4, center front, side front, so you don't make a mistake. Then you indicate which one is going to be joined to the other one. So label them. Here I'm done labeling. Now the next thing to do is to cut through the paper, cut all of them out. Now I'm done cutting. Now I want to join the 3 and 4, that's the center front to the side front. That's why I said you should label them so you won't mix them up. Now I've joined the 1 and 2, which is the upper part, together. Now I want to join the 3 and 4, which is the upper to the lower part of the cup. So I'm going to be using a tape first to see how it's gonna be. So you tilt your paper, don't just lay it flat. If you want to get that round cup, try to tilt your hand when you're joining the papers together. So this is what we got after we joined them together. You can see how the cup came out. You can see how deep it is. That is the style line we'll be working with. Transfer it to your fabric, add your interface and a sewing allowance. Ta-da! That's what we got. Do you find this video helpful? Please like, drop a feedback or suggestion. Thank you.